Harv, are these your favorite wheels?
No.
Hey, oh, yep, those are its headlights. Yeah, they do look really similar. Yeah, Harvey got it right. This is great. What do you say, Harv? Okay, now let's wait for Gus and we'll go over there and build them, okay? Okay. Should we open Gus's too? There. Should we open Gus's for him?
Gussie, you want to come sit on this side with me? In the shade, Gus?
Yeah. Put them together, Harv. Go. All right, Harv. Now, on to step 2.
I bet it does.
Ooh, yeah, Harv.
It goes behind. Just like this. You gotta put the stickers on. Okay.
Stickers first. Are there stickers in here too?
Yep.
Ooh, Harv.
Hey, I got your shifter in.
That's a
thanks,
custom
I
sticker
pushed it
job
in
that
with an
Uncle
axle.
Billy would be proud
Thanks,
of.
Grandma.
Hey, you got a shifter? I'll put your shifter in.
Okay, here we go.
We're working on stickers. We're on to the important stuff in life.
Harv,
Good
can I
thing Uncle
put
Billy
in your
isn't
shifter?
here. He'd be stressing about this sticker placement.
Uncle Billy?
Yeah. I'm about to make you proud, Uncle Billy.
I'm videoing Harvey sticking his stickers on because he might make Uncle Billy a little nervous.
I'll never forget that, the first Christmas with Don't worry about it.
All right, Harv, show me what you got.
Oh, I just thought it was.
It's a
something that I didn't
prowler.
know.
Interesting way to...
Where's the cone?
Oh, Gus has the cone. Crank up his batteries. Papa John. Harvey's running toward the Corvette because he says they're his favorite.
Terry'd like to learn how to play that.
I think this is the same guy that was playing the spoons before. See you later, alligator.
Got a swing, chicken wing.
Harv likes this song because it says "See you later, alligator." Hi, Gus. Hey, yoink. Clean your nose. See you later, alligator. Better not miss them. It's a Ford Galaxy.
This is the second Galaxy we saw.
Ooh.
Are you so tall?
Can you get that leaf?
What?
Can
There's
you
a
get?
leaf up
Can
there.
you catch those leaves? Look up.
Look, the whole family ice skating.
Bye.
We're out at the ice rink again. This time we brought some friends with who are skating with us too. But it's just me and Casey and Harvey and Gus and our friends. We have the whole rink to ourselves. Look at that. Not a bad day. $2 open skate on a Sunday when it's 90 degrees outside and we're wearing sweatshirts. Nothing like Minnesota. Good job, Harv. You keep looking forward. Oh, good. Yeah. Hey, Blondie. Hot. Gus is pretending to be the goalie right now, and he wants me to take fake slap shots on him. Right, Gus? I got you, bug. Come here, my little goalie. Oh, and here comes Harv. We got to work on your form a little bit, Harv. Wow, good job, bud. Okay, Harv. How's your day so far? Do you like ice skating? What should we do now? Keep on ice skating. I think everybody else is getting ready to go. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna do for dinner. Yeah, you vote Zorba's?
Yep.
Tried to ski and it's like you're doing laps chasing the other boat. I feel like we lost that. I mean, if we brought the pacifier, like 27.
Okay, Harv, let's go over and play over here. Ready, set. Harv, it's all you. Harv, how was Zorba's? Hey. Okay. Oh, hey. Hey, Harv, where did we just eat at? Here. Gus says here. What Gus meant to say was Zorba's. We ate at Zorba's, just like Harvey predicted. And now the day is over, right, babe?
Am I in this?
I mean, you're right there.
We should start over.
Ooh.